Hello and welcome to Fit Bites with Prerna. Today is day 12 of 21 days of strong core and abdominal challenge और आज हम करेंगे थोड़ा सा easy exercise which can be done by all level. It's especially very beginner friendly क्योंकि हम use करेंगे एक chair और एक mat. So warm up के लिए मैंने आपको दो levels बताए हैं, level 1 and level 2. लेवल 1 अगर किसी को जंपिंग और बहुत ज़्यादा फास्ट मूवमेंट में तकलीफ़ है तो आप जो है ये वाली एक्सरसाइज से शुरू करेंगे एज योर वार्म अप टू इंक्रीज़ योर हार्ट रेट। जिनको जंपिंग से कोई तकलीफ़ नहीं है, कोई बैक में जर्क वाली प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, कोई बैक पेन की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है या कंप्लेन नहीं है, दे कैन प्रोसीड विद द सेकेंड सेट और दैट इज़ लेवल 2 फॉर द सेम exercise as our warm up. All you have to do is you kind of jump or do scissors in place and then you go left few steps and then you do scissors on place and then you come right and do scissors on place and you do this continuously for about 1 to 2 minutes so that your body is adequately warmed up before we proceed with the core building exercises. As usual with every exercise, make sure that आप जो है अपने लेवल के हिसाब से एक्सरसाइज शुरू कर रहे हैं ताकि आप जो है अपनी बॉडी को इंजोर ना करें. Regardless of whatever level you are doing, make sure that you are breathing appropriately, drinking water, taking rest as and when needed. You will also need a chair for the workout today, for the core building workout today. We are going to do 4 different exercises today instead of 3 and be ready for round 1. राउंड 1 में आप करेंगे सिंपल प्लैंक और उसके बाद आप करेंगे शोल्डर टैप्स और इसी के एडवांस लेवल में आप शोल्डर टैप के साथ थाई टैप और नी टैप डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर लेवल ऑफ फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी यू कैन डू दिस. अगर आपकी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी कम है then you might not be able to touch your heel on the ground and that's okay as well. The point is to increase your flexibility as well as stamina when you do this core building exercise. This particular exercise basically challenges your balance and coordination as well as it's a complete body weight training. In our next exercise, we are going to sit on the chair at the edge of the chair so your legs are out and your feet are touching the ground, and then we'll keep our hand over the nape of the neck or at the back of the head and then we'll gently just bend the body sideways from one direction to other direction in a very slow and controlled motion. This is essentially to target your waist. It will cinch your waist if done appropriately and correctly. Just make sure you're breathing and you're doing the motion sideways instead of forward. Since we are also keeping our hands at the nape of the neck, we are actually challenging your shoulders and you are actually stretching your upper back. So it's good for your chest. It will tone your chest. It will cinch your waist because the oblique muscles working when we do the side bends for any exercise. Our next exercise is while sitting on a chair, we are going to do alternate knee lifts or thigh lifts, which is called hip marching, and we'll challenge this even more when we keep our hands over our nape of the neck or behind our head. Another progression for the same exercise is you keep your hand both the hands or arms elevated overhead for a little bit more challenge. It's going to work on your rectus, it's going to work on your proper abdominal muscle, and it's going to challenge your balance, and it's a very safe exercise for active older adults or whosoever want to start very gradually with their core building exercise. Our exercise number 4 is seated bicycle twist. This is a classic modification of bicycle twist that we do on the floor. Instead of the floor, we are going to do this on the chair, and you'll still get the same benefit. So it's good for anybody who doesn't want to sit on the floor, or who is not really comfortable doing exercise on the floor. It's good for older adults, people with knee problem, those who cannot basically bend their knee a lot or do a lot of exercise while lying down. So this is good for them. And make sure that you are on the edge of the chair and your feet are basically touching the ground when you do this exercise, and then you just twist from one side to another side very gradually, and you are going to cinch your waist and you are going to slim your waist. We are in round 2 and we are going to repeat the 4 exercise. Our first exercise, plank with alternate shoulder tap and knee tap. Here you can touch your shoulder alternately left and right, and then you can try to touch your thigh or knee, and some people with even greater amount of flexibility will be able to touch their shin or their ankle. It's okay, whichever level you are, it's fine. We'll gradually build up from there. I have tight hamstrings, so I cannot go further than thigh or knee. It's just difficult for me. You should consider these exercise after all these days of exercise from our 21 days of challenge as an easier day for our 21 days of core challenge, so you can actually recover from whatever body soreness that you are having because of our regular schedule in our 21 days of strong core challenge. Make sure you keep on breathing and keep it slow, gentle. Eventually you can increase the speed when you know that you have tightened your core and your core is activated all the time when you do exercise. The key is to keep the core activated, so your lower abdominal muscle or the corset of your body, the imaginary belt in your body, should be very, very tight, and it should be toned up when you're doing exercise. That is your core muscle. We are already on round 3 of the same set of exercise. We are going to do 4 exercises, 45 seconds each, but you are more than welcome to basically increase 2 more rounds for the same if you are at intermediate or advanced level for the benefits. But if you are not able to do it, it's still okay to do it for 2 rounds and maybe build up on that later. Please make sure that you at least devote 5 minutes for stretching after this round is finished, or you can even add more round but still stretch afterwards. Thank you so much for watching this video and being with me in this journey. We'll see you next time with our next video. Thank you so much.